Which are the best forex trading robots that are proven to be profitable in live accounts? I know exactly which ones because over the last few years my team and I tested hundreds of EAs, and today many of them are profitable, but 3 of them really stand out, starting from one of the cheapest. It is called Multipayer EA and it costs $199 for 2 licenses, or that is $100 per license. And if I show you this live account with IC Markets, you will see that here I am trading the Multipayer Robot Forex Pro EA with the pound dollar. And if I show you the account history, you'll see plenty of trades that closed on the take profit, most of them, and all of them actually trade with 0.01. And right in here I have a withdrawal of $200. And as you know, once I make 20% on my live accounts, I prefer to withdraw the profits, but that's not the only account I have with the Multipayer EA. If I go to the ATS platform and I click on live trading, you will see that we have 60 accounts by the time I'm recording this video. And if I search for Multipayer, you will see that I have 5 accounts. So the pound dollar is one of them, and it actually makes the most monthly return, 7.7%. And if I show you the track record of this account, you will see that initially I deposited $200, that I increased it to $1,000, then it made $200 profit. I requested a withdrawal, there was a drawdown in the equity right after that, but it recovered and now it is going again on a profit. And this expert advisor is trading with 5 currency pairs, but a safer option for me is to trade them separately on individual accounts. And you can see the total gain for all of these accounts and for how long time they've been trading. If I show you the vendor's website, you will notice that this expert advisor costs $199, but this is for 2 accounts. Or if you want to trade this EA or a single account, it will cost you $100, and for the moment it is available only for MT4. Before I show you the second forex robot, I have a quick favor to ask. Our analytics show that most people who watch our videos miss subscribing. YouTube just recommends them to you. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to check. It is free and it helps us keep testing robots, running live accounts, and sharing everything with you. Your support let me continue finding the best EAs, so thank you for that. At number 2 we have the Infinity Trader, $270. This account I've been trading for longer and I'm trading it on the pound dollar. If I show you the account history, you will see that I started trading this expert advisor back in 2024, at the end of 2024, only trading the pound dollar, initially with 0.01, then increased to 0.02. The vendor updated a few times the EA, and one of the recent updates is something I really like. So if I show you the settings, you will see that I have this additional trades. So the max additional trades are set to 3, but now we have this recovery settings, and by default we are allowing 2 recovery trades, and I can demonstrate exactly what that means in the open trades tab, where you can notice that the EA started opening trades on the 16th of February, then it added 3 more trades, which are, one more time, the additional trades, and then we have these 2 recovery trades with 0.04. And if I switch to the daily chart, you will see how that looks. If I zoom a little bit, you will see that this initial trade opened right in here in mid-February, so that's the first trade, and then there are 3 additional trades, and then we have 1 recovery and a second recovery on a much bigger distance with double lot of 0.04, and now the price is about to recover those trades. And in my opinion, this is a very smart recovery system, but of course, depending on the capital you're trading with, depending on the risk you're willing to take, make sure to backtest the expert advisor according to your needs. If I go back to the Algo Trading Space platform and I look for Infinity Trader EA, you will see that the withdrawals I requested are over $600. I've been trading this EA for over a year, and if I show you the track record, you will see see that I've requested 2 times withdrawals, 1 time in here, 2nd time in here. That's the floating loss I showed to you since mid-February. You can see that the max floating drawdown is 33.02% until the moment, which for full 153 days is totally acceptable, and I believe it is this one, or it could be actually this one, but I don't have anything bigger than that. The protection in this account is set to 50%, so I'm not allowing it to lose more if it happens that it will go in a bigger drawdown. So from the profits I requested, I've already made money if this drawdown increases. This expert advisor comes from the popular FX automator vendor. They have plenty of EAs, they have track records. Down on the bottom I want to show you the pricing. They have a winter sale at the moment, but the EA is discounted to $217, and this is for 1 real money account and for 10 demo accounts. And they offer 30-day money back guarantee, which means you can test the EA risk-free. And the third robot I will show you, I'm trading with IC Markets because they have great trading conditions, very suitable for algo trading. And if you use the link below in the description to open an account with IC, you will automatically get a discount on the commissions. And the robot I'm trading is called Dark Nova at the price of $499 for 5 licenses. And we have a few live accounts with Dark Nova. This one is trading the Aussie Cat with 0.01 lot, but that's on a small $200 live account, and you can see that we've requested a withdrawal of $111, so that's more than a 50% gain. But if I show you further the close trades, you will see that when there is a recovery, the expert advisor starts increasing the loss, and the maximum we've seen is 0.06, and in the inputs we can see this to be called right in here, lots sum. So there is a martingale option, which obviously is much riskier, that's why we prefer the lot sum or all lot sum. Fixed lot is also a safe option, but in this account we decided to go with lot sum. So you can see that the lots increase by 0.01 and the maximum we've seen is 0.06. If I scroll to the top, you will see that one time it increased to 0.05. Again, it was recovered, but increasing the lots to 0.05 for 0.06 is still risky for a $200 account, and we did some further back testing, and obviously it is safer if we increase the initial balance to $1,000. And let me show the back test, which is nothing scary to be honest. Since 2022 you can see a few dips, not really huge ones, but just trading on $1,000 live account will give us some more space and room for the expert advisor to recover the losing trades. However, by the time you're watching this video, probably we will increase to $1,000 initial deposit, and at any moment you can visit the Algo Trading Space platform to see how this account performs. At the time of recording the video, it makes an average of 5.88%. But one more time, this is on a small $200 account. You can see that at the beginning, after we started in August 2025, there was a drawdown of nearly 50% that recovered. That's the one where the lots increased to 0.05, and then there was a second one where the lots increased to 0.06, and then we requested the withdrawal. Since that, we don't have drawdowns, but increasing to $1,000 starting capital will give us some more peace of mind, and of course trading low risk is always suggested. If I show you the vendor's website, you will see that the recommended currency pairs are Aussie Cat, Aussie New Zealand, and New Zealand Cat. The vendor Marco, and I actually had a chance to have a one-on-one call with him, a very smart guy, developed some great EAs, and I'm planning to invite him to my podcast. So if you want to stay tuned, just subscribe to the channel. I'm sure it will be a great conversation. So Marco decided to verify his track records with the live green update check, which makes the track record trusty, and we can depend on the results we see. You can actually notice that he's trading the 3 pairs on 850 $150, and the gain in the previous year was pretty impressive. I can see somewhere between 4 and 25%, so we can keep an eye on that track record because it is verified, and as well you can keep an eye on the track records from Algo Trading Space because they are fully transparent. And let me show you the price of this expert advisor. It is $499 for 5 licenses, which makes one license cost about $100, and that's a very similar price to the first expert advisor I shared in this video. The good thing is all of these EAs I showed to you today are trading different currency pairs, and the best thing obviously is to build a portfolio, a diversified basket of EAs on different currency pairs, so you will lower the risk. And if you want to learn how to build a portfolio of EAs, check out this video on my side because I showed the whole thing. As always guys, thanks so much for watching. Check out all the links down below in the description. Don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.